For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tie a half hitch knot. To start your half hitch knot, you're going to grab the furthest cord to the left, this is cord 1 and your filler cord, and bring it over to the right of your next cord. Take cord 2 as your working cord, and you're going to bring it up around your filler cord, and it's going to go through that little gap between cord 1 and cord 2 while continuing to hold on to that filler cord. Thread it through that hole. Hold your filler cord, take your working cord, and pull tight. That is a half hitch knot. One more time on this side. Again, take that first cord on the left, bring it over your other cord to the right. You're going to take that next cord as your working cord and bring it up over your filler cord to the left and through this loop, this gap right here. While holding on to your filler cord, take your working cord and pull tight. And that is how you tie a half hitch knot.